What is a common law claim for a workplace injury in Queensland? If you've been injured at work and it is due to the negligence of your employer or a co-worker, you may be able to obtain workers' compensation benefits and damages to which you are legally entitled. Most claimants start with a statutory claim and move on to a common law claim if their employer is at fault. It is particularly important to seek legal advice with respect to a common law claim if you have been left with a permanent impairment. So what is the difference between a statutory claim and a common law claim? By lodging a claim form and medical certificate or capacity to work certificate, you can access statutory workers' compensation benefits. If you can establish that your injury or illness was caused at or because of work, the claim will be accepted. Through this claim, you will be entitled to medical treatment and lost wages incurred as a result of the injury or illness related to your employment. This works as a short-term solution to help you immediately. In this claim, lawyers will work to seek compensation beyond that covered by the statutory claim. To be successful in a common law claim, the lawyers will again need to establish that you were injured or became sick at or because of work, but they also must establish that the lawyer was at fault and the negligent. To be successful in a common law claim, the lawyers will need to again establish that you were injured or became sick at or because of work, and they also need to establish that the employer was at fault and was negligent in their duty to you. Will I be suing my employer if I proceed with a common law claim? Your employer is insured for the cost of these claims by WorkCover Queensland. Your employer is insured for the costs of these claims by WorkCover Queensland. Some large employers are also self-insured. A common law claim for damages is a process that involves preparing and serving a detailed notice of claim outlining details of the incident, the injuries sustained, the amount of damages you are seeking, and the reasons you say your employer is negligent. We recommend contacting a skilled workplace injury lawyer in Queensland to discuss your unique rights and entitlements to make a common law claim for compensation.